Sandra, and it's time for me to pick my March giveaway winner. So if you remember my March giveaway, I had said that the winner could pick 2 plates. So what I want to do is just quickly go over these plates again. So whoever wins can, when they tell me they're the winner and give me their address, they can also tell me which plates they want. So I have this first one, and this is 076, All the Little Things. And this is Black Cat. And this is all Christmas stuff. And then I have this one from Creative Shop. And this is Alien. And this is all Halloween stuff. And then the rest are Maniology. I have M410, which is a Halloween plate. I have M672. I have M370. And M407. And M641. And M573, and we've got M186, M174, and last but not least, I have M456. So those are the choices that you have. I am going to now pick the winner, and all the winner has to do is send me an email and with their address, their mailing address, and the 2 plates that they want, and that will be mailed out. So good luck to everyone. Here we go. All right, so the person who has won, and this really went quick, is, hopefully you can, I'm going to put this down here. There. Dillianne Anderson, Mayte, 681. So Dillianne Anderson, Mayte, 681. And Dillianne, congratulations. And thanks for watching my channel. And just send me an email at nailstampology@gmail.com and with your mailing address and then your 2 plates that you want, and I will send them right in the mail. So, thanks for watching and congratulations.